Hello guys, this side Gaurav. Let me explain one problem. This is a problem. Let me tell you the problem statement. Tree diameter. The diameter of a tree is the number of edge in the longest path in the tree. Okay. There is an undirected tree n node level from 0 to n minus 1. You are given a 2D array edge where edge length equal to n minus 1. Edge A I to BI indicate that there is an undirected edge between AI to BI in the tree. Okay, return the diameter of the tree. So we have a given a undirected graph like this node is connected to this node and this node connected to this node and this node connected to this node. So the quality of this graph is it doesn't contain a cycle. That's why these question statement labeling this is a tree because a tree doesn't contain a cycle. So basically this is a undirected graph which doesn't contain a cycle. So the answer we need to return the longest of the diameter means longest distance between two node. So we can took any particular node and we have to find the distance between two node, maximum distance between two nodes. So the answer of this graph is 3 because the distance between two node from x to s, and from this the distance between two node is 0 to 1 to 2. So distance is 1 and 2, this the 2. Okay, and in this graph the distance between two node is 3 and 5 because this is a maximum distance. So we need to return this distance. The distance between 3 and 5 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to basically return the number of edge of two farthest distant node. So how to approach this question? This is a standard question. So our main intention is where which node we have to start to find the distance. If we start from 0, so then we have to go to 1, then we have to go to 2, then we have to go to 3. So this is from 0, this is 1 distant, this is 2 distant, this is 3 distance, and from this is 2 distance, this is 3 distant, but our mm, answer is false. From we start 1, so this 0 is from 1 distance and this is 2 distant and 5 also 2 distance. If we start from 2, then most distance 3 is 1 distance and 5 is 3 distance, and if we start from 3, then longest is 4. So our main concern is if we do by this means explore every node, and we have to start a DFS traversal from 0 from 1. The time complexity is n square because exploring every node, but we have to find in because the constraint is n 10 to the power 4. So if we explore every node and find the maximum distance, then it is 10 to the power 8. So it is not passing. So let me explain how to find the most distance. So we start a DFS from any node. Let's start from 0. So every time when we start DFS from any node, the longest of this 0 is 3, and if 3 this node is a uh, one part of the longest distance, and if we mark dfs from 3, then we can reach to 5. So the main observation is start a DFS from any node and get the farthest node. Then we get a 3 and start from DFS and find the farthest node. So this is main observation. So let me show you the code. So we build a graph here, and we find a distance. We take a vector of distance, take a vector of visited, and start a DFS from the zero. In the DFS, mark as visited, and every time we calculate the distance of the child. So in the distance vector, we find one node which is farthest. So we calculate the farthest. Then we start our DFS from the farthest node and find which is the longest and return. So this is our answer. Thank you.